So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in NetPeerWiz. Click on it. Now once we're here, if you see any suspicious accounts, then you want to click on it and you want to remove it. And then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Startup Apps. Click on it. If you see any unknown applications here in this list that you don't remember installing, then you want to turn it off. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to click on scan options and then click on full scan. Now you want to run it, so click on scan now. It's then going to start running this full scan for you. It's going to take a while though, but just run this scan. If it detects anything, it's going to tell you. Now once that's been done, you want to select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan and then click on scan now and then click on scan again and then click on yes. It's going to restart your system. It's now restarting. It's going to start running a Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Once you complete this scan, it will take you back into Windows, and if it detects anything, it will tell you and it will remove it.